did make it here before they started, but then I had to go out to the car to get the camera, and now I'm going back in. But I was here before they started practice officially. I am a good wife. This is my first time in Bayside Bowl, like, well, this weekend. This place is so cool. But they're on this bay over here. Look, see, they didn't even start practice yet. Right on time. There we go. All right, Nate is starting us off today. He's starting the Ion Pro Solid. Oh, we're backing it up. Yep, gotta get a partner that can do both. He's hot. Yep. Stay hydrated, people, because Nate's always thirsty. I feel like he didn't hit that one as much. I just stay here sometimes and wonder what Nate is thinking about while he's up there just like pondering life. Like, is he like, I'm about to kill these people? Like, what are we thinking right now? He's probably thinking about Chipotle, actually. There's a little in, but ooh. Yay, spare. So there's like a 300 going on over there. Nate's like, well, we won this game, so Julian's gonna get some balls in the fill. Balls. 198. And they can strike out for 247. Oh yeah, I got the 7 out. Oh, Nate made him nervous. Oh, there was something on the lane. All right, we shot 247. They're telling secrets. There's Mallory. Looks pretty good. He looks pretty good. All right, good break. Beautiful shot. Oh, what do I know? Tough. No ball change, trying something. Okay, Julian was telling me he is changing to a different red ball. He had changed in the 10th frame last game, and then that last shot he felt was good, but it wasn't like early enough and didn't do the right thing, so he's going back to a different red ball on this shot. I hope you guys can see the score. I know it's like weird. Give it to us. Oh, that was in. Give us. Okay. Wow. That one tap really did it. All right, well, they're officially up 2-0. I guess it was the toe kick that got that to hold. Got to learn that one. Oh, hello. Can't see anything. Oh, he struck. There we go. Oh, wow. We have the whole lane. That's good. They are officially up 3-0 going into this game. Heck yeah, that's a double. Okay, give us a heart attack. Oh my god, that went behind it. Oh, we're not on talking terms, I guess. Are we fighting? Nate does his little routine. He grabs a glass of water, gets his chamois, and then sits there while Julian bowls. There we go. Gobble. Oh Oh, no, that's just a double, not a turkey. I forgot a 10 pin. Next shot will be a turkey. They won. Okay, if we can both just throw 2 great shots and strike in this match, it'll make me feel a little bit better so we don't have to go into another game. Get there. A spare will be fine too. Oh, okay, Nate, that's fine. That's fine. Did you see that?
Sorry.
Did he strike? Okay, again, your shoulder. Okay. Alright, Nate's gonna finish us up here. Oh, come on. Alrighty, that's all she wrote. 4-0. We get to leave early today. Not going home though.
Yeah, back to the hotel because we're winners.
The Holiday Inn. We at the hotel, motel. Day off now.
Yep.
Now we have bunches of hours to fight about what we want to eat.
Yep, because Elise can't make up her mind.
That's not true. And then we'll be back tomorrow at 11. How do we feel?
Feel great.
Feel great. Okay,
great.
we'll talk about it when we get to the car.
Yeah.
It's a little chilly out here. A little nipply. We got some barbecue. Mine's already gone, sorry. Nate's got some shit pile over there.
It's good as hell.
It's where he wanted to go. Mo's barbecue. Mo's original barbecue, sorry. I'll give it a 8 out of 10.
Yeah, that's fair.
8 out of 10. I will say that cornbread though, mine's already gone, but that shit was good. That
It's
shit was
already
good.
gone.
So that had sweet tea, guys. So that, I guess that should give it an 8.5. 8.5 because it's sweet tea. Back to the dungeon.
Back where we don't leave our room and society doesn't exist.
Okay, Nate, like walk us through what happened
today?
Yeah, walk us through.
Right.
You want to hold the camera?
Sure, I'll hold it.
Yeah, you can hold the camera.
Okay. Goodbye, Elise.
Oh my god, my back. Ow. Ugh. Okay.
All right, so obviously in practice, I don't know if Elise got it or not, but we still hadn't decided who was going to bowl on what pattern. We just saw what was out on the lane, and we literally decided with about 2 minutes left. So we both had a look on each of the patterns, and I just looked at Julian, I'm like, hey, what do you want? And he's like, I like the right lane. I'm like, okay, cool. Let's just make some good shots and get to work. And game 1 was good. Game 2 was good.
You have soda on your nose.
Oh,
Sorry, I could not look at him while that was
anyways.
on his face.
Game 3 was a closer one. I needed a double in the 10th, and I just went up there and threw two really good shots. And then game 4, Julian put it away in the 9th. So really, really solid bowling.
He has a big meat stick.
Yeah, yep, he does.
He does. That's
He,
what I've
uh,
determined.
he bowled
His
great.
name is Meat Stick if he bowled at Bayside. Big, what's the brand? That's the beef jerky, the one that everyone likes.
Why am I blanking?
Oh my god.
Jack Links.
No, the other one. The Jimmy.
That is Jack Links.
No, the other one.
The one that Mr. Beast teamed up with?
No, the other one. That's like the oh
don't
my
know.
god, what is it in the comments? Mr. Jack Links, I guess, but big Jack Links.
So yeah, and then game 4 he shut it out in the 9th, and that was just some really solid bowling. I felt like I only missed like 3 or 4 times, which was really good. Julian grinded on that pair. That's a really tough pair. So,
You did.
you know, we got through it. Great bowling to Brandon Bonta and TJ Rock. They definitely made us throw when we needed it. So now we face Sean Rash and Matt Ogle. That's going to be fun. We have a game plan. We're going to stick to it. And we have more bowling tomorrow. So top 16 of the Roth Holman doubles. Here we come, looking to make it to the top 8. But we're just going to do one shot at a time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and we'll see you
Nap
tomorrow.
time.
Goodbye.
Yay.